are going to love the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.